Yo, what's up IT people? I'm Nayam.
And I'm Gab.
At ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang computer. So yung computers, ang laki ng impact niyan sa buhay natin ngayon. Ginagamit natin siya for many uses in work, school, at saka pang entertainment na din. Pero, bago tayo dumating dun sa point kung nasa na tayo ngayon, kung ano na yung itsura ng mga computer natin ngayon, nagkaroon tayo ng history.
Yan, sama-sama nating alamin ang history of
Computer! 1940 until 1956, bam! Diyan nagsimula ang lahat. Tinatawag to na first generation. So in this period, vacuum tubes were used in order to build computers. Yung vacuum tubes na to, sila yung nag-act as basic components for memory and circuitry doon sa may CPU or Central Processing Unit. Noong time na to, yung computers nag-rely sila heavily sa machine language. So ano nga ba yung machine language? Machine language, ito yung language na naiintindihan only by computers. So sila yung nasa form ng binary, ganito. Different computers were produced during this time, some of which are ENIAC, UNIVAC, and yung EDSA. Yung time na to, calculations were made quick. However, nagkaroon din ng maraming flaws noong first generation. Una sa lahat, computers were too big. Yung sobrang laki niya, nag-occupy na siya ng isang buong room. Second, yung vacuum tubes, nagre-require kasi siya ng cooling system. So, yung cooling system na yan, pwede siyang require ng tons of energy or electricity. And, sunod naman, yung computers during this time, they were very expensive kasi kailangan siya ng high maintenance, kailangan palaging inaayos, ganito ganon. Pero natigil lahat yan kasi nagkaroon na ng second generation.
second generation of computers. So this era happened between 1956 to 1963. So in this era, vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors. So, transistors allowed computers to run faster and smoother. So, ang advantage ng transistors ay, una, mas mura siya kaysa vacuum tube. And pangalawa, hindi siya agad-agad umiinit. So, in this generation, a change in language happened. So, kung first generation, gumagamit ang mga computers ng machine language, sa generation na to, second generation, gumagamit na sila ng assembly language, which enables the programmer na gumamit ng mga human-like cryptic codes na language like English types. So, some high-level languages were developed during this generation like COBOL and Fortran. Dahil sa pagbabago ng language ng computer, mas napabilis ang pagkukompute ng mga data ng mga programmers. Other than that, there were extra features being developed this time, like printers, disk storage, and operating systems na ginagamit sa mga bangko ng time na yun. So in this era, magnetic cores is used as a storage disk, primary storage disk, while magnetic tapes were used as a secondary one. That's all for second generation.
1964 to 1971, third generation. So in this generation, transistors were replaced by integrated circuits or ICs. So these ICs were made by Jack Kilby, and yung mga integrated circuit na to, meron siyang nilalaman na maraming transistors, resistors, and other circuitries. With the help of these ICs, ang nangyari sa computers natin sa generation na to is naging smaller siya, they became more efficient and they became more reliable unlike the past generations. Ay, Brad, kamusta? Alam niyo ba, nung third generation, nagkaroon ng iba't ibang high-level language? So, some of those are Fortran 2 to 4, COBOL, Pascal, PL1, Basic, Algol 68, at marami pang iba. So, nung first generation, or nung mga past generation, gumagamit ng mga printouts dati para sa interact sa mga computers. Pero nung third generation, ang nangyari is nagkaroon na rin ng mga keyboards and ng mga monitors. Dahil dito, nung third generation, many people were able to access computers in their homes kasi dito na dati na sobrang laki talaga ng mga computers. Ngayon, pwede na silang mapunta any location and yun nga, easy siya. Easy, it's good. Pero hindi pa dyan nagsistop ang lahat kasi nagkaroon pa tayo ng fourth generation.
Okay yan.
Fourth generation. Fourth generation of computers.
Fourth generation.
So, in 1971, the Intel launched what they called Intel 4004 chip. And this Intel 4004 chip started the fourth generation, which is called the era of microprocessors. Sa Intel 4004 chip na to, lahat ng mga nilalaman ng first generation, lahat ng datas, lahat ng type of computers na meron ng first generation, lahat ng yun magkakasya sa Intel 4004 chip. This generation, fourth generation. Microprocessors are built of thousands of integrated circuits built in one small chip. So, imagine niyo na lang lahat ng mga data na naipon, lahat na sobrang dami na tipong sa first generation, kinailangan pa ng sobrang laking computers para lang masave yung data. This is a generation na to dahil sobrang advanced. Nagkasya na siya sa sobrang liit na tipong kasya na sa kamay mo. So in 1981, IBM introduced its first home computer. And few years after, nag-release naman in-introduce ng Apple ang Macintosh. 1980. Hindi lang ginagamit ang microprocessors sa mga desktop computers. Ginagamit din to sa paggawa ng laptops and cellphones. As the technology of computers advances, marami nang na-form na communication and dahil doon na-form ang internet. Pero hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang era ng computers. Kaya kita-kit sa next generation.
1980s until now, ito yung tinatawag nating fifth generation. So, nung generation na to, ang nangyari is VLSI technology was replaced by ULSI technology. ULSI stands for Ultra Large Scale Integrated Technology. And with ULSI, many microprocessors were produced having 10 million electric components. This generation was based on parallel processing hardware and also AI. Yung AI, sure ako na alam na natin lahat yan. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. And then Artificial Intelligence, ito yung ginawa natin, mga IT people, na kung saan, yun nga, technology or kahit anumang technological kineme yan, they are able to think and act like as humans. So, yan yung mga robots, ganito ganyan. Ito yung mga nakikita natin sa internet na kumari merong babae na nagsasalita ng ganito. Pero actually, robot pala talaga siya. So, yun yung AI. Ang AI, it continues to improve. Like, hanggang ngayon, dinedevelop pa siya kasi mas nagiging more human-like siya. Kaya, ayan, AI. In this generation, meron ding ibang mga high-level language na na-produce. So, meron na namang bago. Ano nga ba yung mga yon? C, C++, JavaNet, at marami pang iba. So, language, man! konti. Pero, syempre, hindi pa natitigil yan. Kasi history, alam mo yun, it remains being written. So, yung history ng computers, patuloy pa yung madadagdagan. At isa tayo sa mga magko-contribute doon. Tayong mga IT people. So, alam mo yan, work, work, work. IT, IT, IT. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Salamat po sa makikinig. Bye!